Hi everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora.
And I'm Jackie from the Play by Sephora team.
And one of the most common questions I receive as a professional makeup artist is, what type of primer should I use? Where should I apply it? Should I even use it at all?
So many questions.
So many questions. So for many of you, in this month's Play by Sephora box, you're going to be receiving a fantastic primer. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, which is a fan favorite, really.
Oh, totally. It's from the Peaches and Cream collection, which is exclusive to Sephora.
So in general, what you're looking for with a primer is something to go on and create a smooth canvas. It is also supposed to lock your foundation in place. But everybody's skin is different. So what we're gonna talk about in this video is how you can utilize a primer, especially one like this, to optimize its results for your particular skin type. Now, me personally, I really believe you should use your fingers to apply primer. Most primers, especially ones like this, they're not intended to be built up. They are best intended to be a light, thin layer to do their job, and this way it doesn't cause extra texture. So a very little bit can be used for a large portion of the face, and with your fingers, you can really feel how you're spreading it out. So your skin type is gonna determine where you're gonna use your primer. If you don't need it everywhere, you don't use it everywhere. So if you have drier skin or maybe combination skin, you might only need it in the T-zone, which is the forehead and the nose down to the chin. So this is a great place to start for anybody applying this type of a mattifying primer, because almost everybody can use a little bit of help in that area. So starting in the forehead, we just want to tap this in, blend it out, make sure that there's no excess product, and you're already starting to see the mattifying effect here. And I'm just gonna bring it right down to the nose, because this is a really key area. There's a lot of oil glands here, so we want to control that. And then move on down to the chin, because nobody really wants a shiny chin.
No.
No. And then if you have oily skin, you really want to make sure you're getting that outer perimeter of the face and really getting a nice area underneath the cheek, because that's a really great way to kind of sculpt a little bit. So I left the cheek for last, specifically because if you wanted, even if you have oily skin, you could leave that area for a nice glow, or you can apply your primer and just create that beautiful porcelain matte skin all over. Choice is yours. You look gorgeous.
Oh, it feels so good too. Like I could feel it going on really velvety, and it was also so cooling and refreshing.
And now your makeup is just gonna glide on so effortlessly. It's gonna look great. Hopefully this was really helpful for you guys. So when you get your Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer, you guys now know how to use it for your skin type. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.